explosion has rocked an area near a police post in Tanah Abang, central Jakarta, injuring 4 people. The blast occurred at a vacant house in the Kebon Kacang area just behind a police post. Central Jakarta police cordoned off the area and armed officers guarded the location of the blast, while other police personnel, including the anti-bomb squad and the anti-terror squad, combed the area. Police say their investigation is ongoing. The cause of the blast remains unknown, although local residents say it may have been an exploding gas canister. The 4 injured were taken to a nearby hospital. The vacant house was being prepared for a wedding ceremony.
Lagi kerja.
Hah? Kerjanya ngapain? Kerjanya ngapain?
Kok dipoto saya? Kenapa? Nggak apa-apa.
Nggak apa-apa.
Ya udah.
Mau diwawancara.
Udah nggak apa-apa. Ya.
Kerjanya ngapain, Bu?
Kerjanya lagi nyapu-nyapu, bersih-bersih, mau buat hajatan. Mau buat tempat hajatan, tempat makanan maksudnya. Udah.
Terus tiba-tiba ada ledakan?
Ya.
Tiba-tiba
Tiba-tiba ada ledakan. Ya ledakan, masalah ledakan tuh nggak tahu-menahu.